Yo, what's up? We are in Canggu today in Echo Beach. We finished the work, so we decided to watching sunset and maybe having some radler. And so that's how it looks. This is the Como Beach Club. Oh, honey, you look so beautiful, honey.
Thank you. Let's have a bintang there.
Okay. And that's how it looks, the sunset. This is the beginning of Echo Beach. Oh, big waves lah. Oh, big waves. So this is the small wee path next to the temple. They are rocky and you have to be careful because, oh, like this. And they are just at the corner, there are some bars. And here we go, that's the Echo Beach bars over here. And the beautiful sunset waves, cool vibes as always. Surf vibe. Many youngsters chilling here and having the beers and stuff like this. And also many expats and the tourists who come to Bali not so long ago. As you can see, Sayang, local and foreigner people here. There is Pererenan and we are heading into that direction. Easygoing vibes as you see. So we make a vlogs in Kuta, Legian, Seminyak yesterday, and now it's Canggu. And as you see, it's quite a big difference between that both areas. Cookies homemade. Nice. Some people already chilling, waiting for sunset. Saya, how do you feel, honey?
So busy today.
Oh yeah. It's quite busy over there. We're gonna go. There are some surfer bars. The vibe here is a little bit similar to the Uluwatu, the single fin. Yeah, but much busier, honey, you're right. So cool. Yo, what's up, my friend? Yo. Like I said, vibe here is completely different than in any other parts of Bali right now. It's middle of the week, it's not weekend. And as you see, really a lot of people chilling around, enjoying their life. Also surfers and stuff like this. Sayang, Dogo. Very good we crack here. Nice vibes always. And there, where is the statue? It's already Pererenan Beach. But we will see how's the life here.
So many people today. It's
Yeah.
not a weekend yet.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Completely different to compare to the other areas of Bali today. Can you hear the sound of the ocean? So cool. As you see, it's quite busy in Canggu. It's very nice vibe, very cool vibe. And I'm not sure if Canggu is really worth the hype, but if you are looking for how many people it is to compare to the other parts of Bali right now, seems like yes. You can comment below what do you think, but definitely worth a place to come for party or chilling. I'm not sure if you would like to live here, Sayang, but I don't think so. But coming for watching sunset, having radler, yeah, why not? Drone in. Always good music, but I don't want to get a copyright strike, which is also very possible like yesterday. Please forgive me. Not so easy. As you see, the people just chilling, enjoying their life. It's very beautiful weather nowadays in Bali, by the way. Family friendly place, as you see also. Very nice indeed. That's how is it. Where, honey? Are you sure, Sayang? Alright. So that's how it looks. There is already Perorenan area, beautiful sunset. So many people, here is some birthday party. Not so bad. And the sunset. Canggu, always good vibes, yes honey? Cheers guys, it's Rattler, coconut time, and the vibes, and also the sunset. Here we go, sunset and Rattler for you guys. Woo. So cool.
Look at this beautiful sunset. People playing volleyball, chilling, surfing, corn. It's nice. So this is why Canggu is always busy. Like Damian said, worth the hype? I don't know. And then seems like there is a party, birthday party. Nice DJs, party, and the warungs. I think the warung is more easier than the club. Hi honey. And Damian having his bintang. And look at this beautiful sunset. So nice.
This is how to eat the coconut. Check this out. So nice and so healthy. Thank you, brother. Good luck with your business, yeah? Take care, my friends. Suksema. Kerdut?
My name is Kerdut.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Damian. Thank you. Yeah, party's going on. Take care. And that's how it looks. Nightlife in Canggu.
So it's always busy in Canggu nowadays. I think that many expats who just relocate to Bali, they tend to live in Canggu because it's very easy to, you know, warung, shop.
Yeah, kind of like that. Winnie is right. Mostly they are newcomers here, not the expats who living here for years. Mostly the newcomers, and also from our observations, they are mostly people from United States of America and Russia. I'm not Russian, by the way, always saying that, but in general, that's how it look like. If you will don't know me and I will don't tell you, you will never expect it. This is the April 2021. Looks more likely like April 2019. I mean, the traffic and busy and everything, people chilling, but so cool to see that very optimistic view. And still ocean, Sayang, and sky just after sunset.
Okay, let's have a coffee now in La Brisa because most of the warung they don't have a coffee, only bintang or coconut.
Okay, let's go. That's also a very nice place. I made a vlog in this place about a month ago, how I'm inside at morning.
Sky today, beautiful.
Oh, beautiful color of the sky. It's so magnificent. So basically we have to wait to the entrance to the La Brisa because it's the photo session over here, as you can see. A very important photo session. Normal thing. Beautiful color of the sky, and that's how it looks, the place. I will show you around. We have so many beautiful lights. As you see, they have also swimming pool, free to use. Usually no minimum spend, but in some coaches you have a minimum spend, but you can enjoy the pool vibes. Also very nice place to chill, watching sunset. Actually we watch sunset in different place today. Also quite many people. They have many places to chill, many bars. This is one of our favorite places to chill in Canggu. Well, if we decide to come to Canggu and having party or chill, definitely this one. I also make a vlog last time here at morning, but at morning was much more quiet and everywhere upstairs was closed. But check this out, that's so cool. Also here they have like gazebos, like wee houses. If you're a group of friends, you can come and chill and check this out, this pool. And in general, these colors of this place and the vibe is like a very tropical vibe. It's little bit similar to the Mexico vibe or the South America vibe, but in Bali definitely this one is one of my favorites. Which has so many coconut trees, beautiful view, and easygoing vibes, as you can see. Super cool. Also so many people around here. It's quite busy. It's like, I'm not gonna say this is like a normal condition because it will be more busier, but it's very close by to the vibe, and there's so many new faces, new people like coming to Bali, as you could imagine that. Cheers, honey. Also, I want to show you the style of this place and decorations everywhere around. As you could see, they use so many things to decorate this place. Up here you have like a more cozy place for dinner if you would like to eat and stuff like this, as you can see. I don't know why it's so empty, maybe there is no access here. Anyway, this is not any kind of paid endorsement, we just would like to show you the place.
Alright, I think that's all our video today from Canggu. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, take care.